my superstars, it's the Star Warrior horse here. It is no secret that BreyerFest is held in July. Between the summer heat and Kentucky humidity, it gets hot. While a number of BreyerFest activities are held outdoors, many attendees don't know about the air-conditioned locations and activities the event has to offer. Even some BreyerFest aficionados are unaware of these, so regardless if you have attended the event multiple times, you may still want to tune in. So without further ado, let me share with you the BreyerFest activities and locations that beat the heat. The Visitor Information Center is one of the locations I recommend checking out. Free seminars are held there, so you can kick back and listen to talks ranging from model horse showing tips to real horse facts. Additionally, the center hosts indie films about horses courtesy of the Equus Film Festival on Sunday. Furthermore, the live auction models are held on display there on Friday and Saturday. Even if you don't plan on attending the live auction, seeing these connoisseur-level, often one-of-a-kind pieces in person is an experience of its own. Just a short walk from the Visitor Information Center is an actual restaurant called the Ironworks Cafe. It's a convenient place to have a casual fast food-like experience without having to drive out of the park. Be advised, however, that the food can be pricey because it's an on-site restaurant. The museums at Kentucky Horse Park, namely the International Museum of the Horse and the American Saddlebred Museum, are free to BreyerFest attendees the entirety of BreyerFest weekend. What many people don't know is that their BreyerFest tickets double as KHP admission, so virtually any activity included in KHP admission is open to BreyerFest ticket holders. The All-Tech Arena is the hub where the model horse shows, workshops, and Celebration of Horses show are held. The first two activities require a fee and registration to participate in, but the Celebration of Horses show is included with your BreyerFest ticket. The Club Lounge is a paid lounge area located in the balcony inside the covered arena. If you want to watch the equine demonstrations but cannot bear the high heat and humidity, you might be interested. Light refreshments are included with your lounge tickets. The Clarion Hotel on Newtown Pike, also known as the Chin, is a free-for-all BreyerFest weekend. It is home to the Artisans Gallery, the swap meet, the room sales, and, at least for this year, the official Breyer Birthday Bash party. You don't have to stay at the hotel in order to take advantage of these activities, the only exception being if you intend to sell there. The aforementioned activities are free and don't even require BreyerFest admission unless you are selling or trading from your own booth in the Artisans Gallery or swap meet. Not to mention, the deals on the model horses sold there, save for the concurrent BreyerFest models, are some of the best in the country. Those are the air-conditioned BreyerFest activities and locations I thought you should know about. Do you know of any other air-conditioned BreyerFest activities I haven't covered in this video? If so, please share them in the comments below and I will pin your comment. Again, while there are some activities that are air-conditioned, others like meeting guest horses and buying special runs and limited editions are held almost entirely outdoors. Be sure to bring sunscreen and stay hydrated. Handbag-sized coolers and handheld fans are allowed inside the park, so don't be afraid to bring your personal fan and some water or energy drinks. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more starific content. Thank you for watching, my superstars. Always dream with your eyes open.